Hi, I'm Brandon Torvell, golf instructor here at the Nyberg Wood Golf Tech in Tualatin, Oregon. Today we're going to talk about the double pendulum, or basically double lever system here in our golf swing. Now, this is really a physics or a biomechanics term. Takes me back to my college days here. But basically what it is this is one lever, this is the other lever or pendulum here. And as we come down, it releases. The centrifugal forces that are acting on the club actually speed up and catch up and move to the point where it actually releases on its own. So we really don't have to throw the arms or do anything with our arms to actually release that club. In fact, most people typically tend to release this lever system a little too early in their downswing, causing a whole array of issues, tops, fat shots, things like that. But basically, it's important because it helps really our club head speed. And we want to get some good club head speed here. We want to release this at the right point. If you look at the tour players, the release of this actually happens at or slightly ahead of impact. Okay, because we don't want to release it before. If we come down and release it early, that's where we hit the fat shots. Or if we come up, release early, hit the top shots, we have what we call the typical flip of the wrists. So basically what we want to do here is actually hold on to this a little bit so that we're releasing right out here in front of it. And one of the ways that we can do that is by just taking an impact bag. And if you don't have an impact bag at home, you can use maybe a rolled up sleeping bag or a pillow of some sort. But basically we want to do this in slow motion. As we're coming down, we want to just turn our body here and get our hands in a good position so that we still have some angle by the time we hit this bag here, which would be simulating our impact position here. So the hands are a little bit more forward, and it's okay to over-exaggerate it just a little bit. If you overdo it, it's going to be more likely that you're actually going to have an impact on this move and actually do it correctly. So don't worry about overdoing it too much, but really that's what we're trying to do with this lever system, is we're trying to hold it and not release it too early and release it at the right point.